Most people leave AV until it's too late. Then comes the panic. Rooms don't work, tech clashes with furniture, timelines slip. And suddenly everyone's pointing fingers at you. But here's the truth. You don't get a second chance with an office move. If AV isn't right on day one, it never feels right ever again, and you're always putting out fires. When I worked with my business partner to start SPOR Group, I saw this happening again and again and again. Clients would call us in the end. Can you fix this room? Why doesn't this screen switch on? We've already moved in, but nothing works. It's a bloody nightmare. I've got the CEO breathing down my neck. And quite honestly, we got sick of it. So we flipped the script. We built an AV support program that gives you a full team before any of that chaos even starts. It's not random PDFs. It's no theory. This is the exact support team that we deploy on our projects that range from £50,000 to £1 million plus. Here's what you get when you work with us. You get a design engineer, one who talks to you, talks to your furniture supplier, and talks to your fit-out company to make sure that we get the AV right from day one. You get a technical account manager who handles quoting and gets you top-tier pricing from our platinum partners. We work with the biggest manufacturers in the world to make sure that we get you the best prices. You get a dedicated project manager who keeps everything moving. Design, install, fit-out, furniture, you name it, the PM is there to keep it all on track. You get a project engineer who takes the concept and makes it real. No fluff, just rock-solid AV integration. You get a commissioning engineer who doesn't leave until every room works exactly the way that you want it to and you need it to. And you get access to the Sportal Service Help Desk. That's our in-house support platform. It helps you manage all of your rooms, all of your warranties, and all of your tickets. Not only that, it gives your users the ability to be able to use the room using a workplace app. Now, this isn't just a service. It's a team built behind you from kickoff all the way through to handover and beyond. So if you've got an office move coming up or an AV refit coming up, and AV is even remotely important to your people, then do not wing it. Fill in the form here. One of our team is going to be in touch and we'll map out your whole AV journey. And if we're a good fit, we'll assign you that team and we'll get started straight away.